In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Clickup. This process allows you to streamline data collection efficiently by converting form submissions directly into tasks. I'll guide you step by step through the creation and customization of your form so that you can fully harness Clickup's capabilities. Let's start by accessing the Form Builder. Navigate to the specific space, folder, or list where you wish to create your form. Once there, click on the Plus View button, then select Form. Alternatively, if you prefer a central location, you can access the Forms hub within Clickup and create a form from there. Next, we'll move on to building the form itself. If you want a jumpstart, consider using one of the available form templates. These templates cater to a wide range of needs, such as feedback forms, project intake, and job applications. Once you've chosen your starting point, it's time to add questions. Click on Add Question and explore the variety of field types you can use, including text boxes, drop-downs, and checkboxes. You can customize these fields with labels, descriptions, and placeholder text to ensure clarity and relevance. Should you require unique data points, you can also create custom fields directly within the form builder. Don't forget to rearrange the fields using the drag-and-drop editor to suit the logical flow of your questions. Additionally, adding a form description can be beneficial to communicate the form's purpose to your respondents. Moving on to customizing the form settings, you can set default assignees for tasks that will be created from the form submissions, which helps in efficient task assignment. Employing task templates at this stage can ensure consistency across tasks generated from the form. If you wish to enhance user experience, you might consider setting a redirect URL, which will direct users to a new page upon form submission. You'll also have the option to choose between a light or dark theme and customize the primary color to align with your brand's identity. If you desire a cleaner look, you can remove ClickUp branding. Adding reCAPTCHA to your form is a good practice to prevent spam, and you can opt to allow users to submit multiple responses to the same form if needed. When you're ready to share the form, simply copy the unique form link and distribute it as you see fit. Alternatively, you have the option to embed the form directly on your website, providing a seamless experience for users. Finally, managing submissions is a breeze. The responses gathered will automatically convert into tasks within the chosen list, allowing you to track progress and manage each submission effectively. This integration turns submissions into actionable items, optimizing productivity seamlessly. That's it. With these steps, you can now create a robust form in Clickup to manage your data collection needs efficiently. Happy form building!